In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, grabbing that affiliate link, going through the sales process, and showing you how those commissions are calculated in the back end. So let's navigate over to Betty's area. And I'm going to scroll down and go ahead and grab that affiliate link. I'm then going to open a new incognito window, paste that link, and then my funnel pops up. So we're going to walk through this funnel quickly. I'm going to say, yes, I want to sign up. It's going to be bob@demo.com. And we're going to register today. Yes, I want to purchase this product. Again, we're going to put in our information, bob@demo.com. It's Bob Burger. And then we put in his residential information and his phone number, postal code, city, company, and we're going to make a cash payment. And then I'm going to go ahead and place that order. Success! So let's navigate back to the admin area. And the first thing I need to do is actually process the payment for that order. So I'm going to come here to orders on the left-hand side, click into this order, and I'm just going to collect the payment, select my payment method, and record it. Okay, so now when I navigate over to the network area and I click on recalculate and I choose the specific cycle and I recalculate, nothing shows up. And that's actually because I've made a mistake. I have set up the commission rule to pay out to level 1s and not to level 0s. So this would actually count as a direct sale and not a payment made by an existing affiliate on a level 1. This isn't a recruit. So I do actually need to go and change that quickly. So I'm going to come here to setup, commission, and I'm just going to change this to level 0 and I'm going to hit save. All right. Now I'm going to navigate back to my network area and I'm going to recalculate that payment method and, well, that payment, the payout file. And there we go. Okay, so now that's showing up because Bob is actually technically on Betty's level 0, not on her level 1. So now we've got this payout file and you can see the amount. If we click into this payout file, you can see who is being paid out and what they are being paid out. And you can see what they are being paid out for. If you click into that commission, you'll be given all of the details for that commission. So it's active, so they get 100% commission. The commission details are that they get paid out on level 0, because I had to fix that. And they're being paid out on the commissionable sales value of $50 US, the percent. And that's how we get our $25 US. Now, if we are happy with this payout and we're ready to finalize and pay out to our users, we can go ahead and hit finalize cycle. However, if you have found some discrepancies and you're not particularly happy with them, you can actually go ahead and change some settings in the back end and make sure that everything is working out squarely so that you're not making yourself bankrupt when paying out commissions to your users. So if you need to change anything, you can always come to setup like I just did, go to your commission rules, and you can go ahead and say you want to change the percentage. So instead of 50%, it's 20%, and we save that. Then when you go back to your network area and you hit recalculate, again, selecting the cycle, recalculate it, it will give you the updated amount of $10 US. So if you need to make changes to your payouts before actually finalizing the cycle, you can do it. Don't recommend making big changes like this when you've already promised specific payouts to your affiliates. That would be really bad. So now that we're happy with everything, we can go ahead and finalize our cycle. It's going to tell us that we are finalizing this cycle and we need to confirm that we've reviewed our commissions and confirm that they are accurate. And we understand that once I proceed, this action cannot be undone, even if the commissions are incorrect. I'm then going to go ahead and hit confirm. And now this is pending and waiting payout. So this next part I'm not going to be able to demo because you can only pay out cycles that occurred in the past. This is trying to pay out for the end of this existing month. It's not the end of the month. It's not next month. So finalizing and paying out is going to be a little bit tricky to demonstrate. But what you can do when you want to pay out is click on the 3 dots over here. You'll then be able to either download a CSV file and manually upload it to a platform like PayPal and pay out from there, or you can go ahead and automatically pay out to wallets. Once you have paid out to wallets, you can navigate over here to the wallets section and you'll be able to see all of the users' wallets. And if you click into Betty's, for example, you'll see that she's able to receive commission in this wallet. And when Betty wants to transfer her commissions out of her wallets, she'll then make a request transferring the money in her wallet into a bank account. And please do go watch the playlist on the wallets. I go into detail in all of this. And then once you're ready to pay out those transfers, you'll come here to transfers and you will click Pay Pending Transfers. You'll be able to do that with your Wise integration as well. So that is everything you need to know about setting up a basic affiliate system. But before I close out this training series, I'm going to throw in one more video to show you how to set up an area on your website where your users can go and sign up to be an affiliate so that they are automatically assigned their rank and can start earning their commission without you having to manually assign your ranks to your affiliates. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. I'll see you there.